The kitchen?
And you have even come once before, I think.
Yep.
And then something happened and we always kept pushing it.
Now it feels better to be in the kitchen?
Oh yeah. And people kept telling us like, don't do this, you will repent, this will not go away. I said, you know what? I'll take chance.
There you go. And you watch my videos.
Yeah. No,
See?
I mean, we were sold. That's not a problem.
Gotcha.
But I'm just saying, now I can tell people, no, don't listen to contractors. Give it a chance. Maybe, it's in between next 20 years or next 15 years, but it's worth it. It's worth it.
Thank you. And thank you for taking the chance with me. And that's why I showcase my work. See there, guys? She said other contractors were telling her, don't do it. Don't do this process. And she said, no. They watched my videos and they was willing to take the chance. And you can see what's up, guys? Today is Saturday, January the 18th. We are out here in Suwanee, Georgia. This is a new client, found me online. Again, like most of my clients, they watch my videos. We're going to be doing the main floor of this beautiful home. Again, we're in Suwanee, Georgia, about close to 1,600 square feet, wax removal plus screen and recoat at $4 a square foot. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we're going to be doing today. Guys, so again, we just got here. We're prepping for this job. This client again found me on Google, went to my website because they always tell me they watch my videos. I actually got a call this morning from a guy in Hilton Head, South Carolina, that has engineered floors, and he actually saw the job that I did yesterday. He said that's exactly what we need because everyone is telling us that we have to replace these floors. So first of all, let's give a shout out to Christian. He's the recommended moving company. They came out this morning, moved the furniture out of the home into the garage, and also too the job that I did yesterday, they're going back today to put their furniture back. So guys, let me show you what we're gonna be doing. This is gonna be a good one. All right, so you see all this wax on this floor? When you can start seeing light spots, like for example here, that's a lot of wax. It's a lot of wax on these floors. So we're gonna see, like right here, a lot of wax on these floors. So what I'm gonna do, guys, we're setting up, got my PEX 500. Gonna be doing this area right here, this nice, beautiful kitchen. Anytime we do a wax removal, especially on site finish floors, we always follow up with a screen and recoat. So we're gonna be doing this whole area right here, flowing into this nice living room. It's a big house, guys. Then we also have this bedroom right here. Not doing anything upstairs. Then the foyer, this nice, beautiful office. And then the dining room. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, guys, I was just talking to my client. So I had a little delay. My assistant had to leave early for a reason, but my Mrs. Lee came to give me a hand to help me finish this project, because this is a pretty nice sized project. And my client was just telling me he's so happy I was able to save these floors because he was quoted 2 quotes. One was $12,000 and the other one was about $13,000 to sand these floors. So yeah, guys, so this is definitely a very good project, and you can see how much better this floor looks. So I'm going to be putting the coating down in probably about 30 minutes. My wife is doing the last portion of the clean and tacking. And he said they're going to stay at a cousin's house tonight. So he told me, he said Christian was going to come back tomorrow, but I'm going to call Christian and tell him that the client said that they can actually put the furniture back Monday. All right, guys. Well, we're going to start putting the coating down on this floor. Stay tuned. And that's what your husband was saying, because I think he said they was quoted, what, 12,000 to sand the floors?
Yeah.
And looking at what I did, you know, in one day. Thank you. All right, guys, my clients just got back. This is just first coat. I'm gonna go ahead and put a second coat down. But you guys remember how dark these floors were because of the wax? And the clients, they love the convenience that I was able to do it in one day, because he said the other companies told him it would take anywhere from 5 to 7 days. So got all that wax off the floors. That was all up in here. Oh man, the floors look amazing. It was a job, guys, but this is what I do. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the second coat down. Clients are very, very happy with the process. Looks so much better. So much better. And I will say too, I mean, this is in my agreement with clients sign my contract, but you know, I do guarantee a 50 to 80% improvement. Like I tell clients all the time, if you want a brand new looking floor, that's where you got to get it sanded. But the reason why you guys see me doing this so much is because my clients love, not only is it cheaper, but also the convenience. All right, guys. See you in the next one.